Here we have the current stock market update for LIGHTBRIDGE Corporation, stock ticker LTBR. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comments section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So this is a new name. We have not looked at this name before. This was a request from a channel member. Channel members are able to make requests for specific stocks, especially ones that fly under the radar a little bit and aren't as popular on this platform. So this will be a new name that we have not looked at before. And we are seeing a fairly substantial price spike here in recent trading sessions. So definitely this is a stock that's catching the market interest. This is also a stock that has seen a bit of a rocky past. This is a stock that was a little bit more popular, getting a little bit more attention a few years ago, roughly 2018 to maybe 2021 or so. There were a lot of trading recommendations that were made for this stock that did turn out to be inaccurate. The stock price did just continue sort of moving lower after those projections were made. So this didn't turn out to be a preferable or an ideal or a profitable stock for many of the people that were trading this stock previously. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that the stock is a bad idea at the moment. I mean, things can turn around, and it's possible that we're starting to see that at the moment. So this isn't a name that I've looked into very much. It's definitely a smaller company. I will need to look into the financials a little bit more to get a better sense of what exactly is going on here to cause these recent spikes higher, price movements higher. So for the moment, what we're just going to be doing is looking at the price chart itself to identify some key levels and try to figure out, whether or not this recent trend can continue, or where we will get signals here that the trend is unlikely to continue. So first, what we're going to do here is we're zooming out to the weekly price chart. We're taking a very long-term view here, and we're going to start by just sort of defining this lower price support zone, which comes in right around $2.35. So this is an area that has now been tested on multiple occasions, and it really did serve as sort of the launching point for the stock to start to move higher. So that's this recent price movement here. So this is a weekly price chart. So we've got 3 candles here, and that means that the stock has really started to jump up fairly significantly here over the last 3 weeks. We have seen a bit of a downside retracement here, and then this most recent week, what we're seeing on the candle itself is a very long wick on the candle. So essentially what that tells us, the candle body is really what gives us the opening price and closing price. So for this red candle, for example, when a candle is red, it really means that the closing price for the candle is lower than the open. And if it's green, it'll mean that the closing price is higher than the open. So we do have sort of an interesting candle formation here because this initial price movement higher was extremely bullish. This is a very strong bullish candle. And then at the same time, you've got a very important break of resistance, which came in right around $6.75. So this is a significant price movement, and it does suggest that the paradigm could be shifting here for this company, especially when you're dealing with these longer term lows like this. This does give you sort of a suggestion here that you could be in store for a reversal point. There are reasons to be cautious though as well though, because we can see that there are instances of this type of price action in the past, and when the stock right here, for example, we can see the share prices did move higher quite sharply. But then those movements didn't last very long. Share prices moved right back into that prior support zone, as you can see here. And then overall, the stock continued moving lower. So I'm not saying that this isn't an actual turning point. It might very well be. I do need to look into the financials a little bit more to know a little bit more about the company. But at the moment, there is some caution here that is warranted because we're seeing a bit of a two-way price action here. This initial green candle was very bullish, but then it was followed by a bearish candle where the close was lower than the open. And then you've got this third candle in the sequence where, we haven't actually closed the period yet because this is a weekly price chart. And so we're getting the close today. But what we have here is a very long wick on the candle. So what that tells us is that the price high is much higher than the price close. So really what that means is that this is a very volatile price movement here. And there is now a sharp rejection from these highs. So it is a bit of a warning signal, especially when you're dealing with a prior resistance zone from back here. So, this is not to say that the stock will not break this resistance level, but it's very interesting to see here that this is where the failure is happening. So this is a warning sign. I mean, this does suggest that we could see a reversal here because we ran, essentially right into this prior resistance zone, which comes in right around 1465. And then we did see this major failure point, and then share prices start to move lower. So, this does not mean that this isn't a reversal necessarily, but we are seeing some warning signals here, and we're definitely seeing a pullback. So from the weekly price chart, that's most of the sort of evidence that I would be looking at. And then more recently, I do want to do a sort of a Fibonacci analysis study here of this most recent trend movement, because this is essentially going to tell us, whether or not share prices are likely to extend lower, because, in all of this price action to the top side, we did break through all of the major exponential moving averages, and this is a weekly price chart. So these are important exponential moving averages. We also broke through the 200-week exponential moving average. So these are important price breaks, and they do suggest that momentum is clearly turning here and could continue to the top side. But one thing that I would be watching for here is, we've already broken through the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement zone with this rejection point at 1465. From there, we're sort of trading right around the 50% retracement. And then, sort of this major area here comes in right around $6.70. And as you remember, this is that prior resistance zone from before. So this is important because this is also matching up here with a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of this rallying move higher here that has occurred over the last 3 weeks. So to me, that's the real support level. Currently, we're trading right around $9 per share. And this would mean that in order to move back into support, you would need to see something closer to $7, or at least, $6.80 or $7 or so. I would probably want to wait to see what happens at that level. That could be a good entry point. I would like to look into the financials a bit more to understand the company a bit better, understand what the overall financial situation is. But at the moment, this is quite volatile, and I personally would stand on the sidelines until I know a bit more. The real support zone that I would be looking at comes in right around $7 per share. So any sort of purchase into that area seems acceptable to me, especially if you have a tight stop loss, because that could then give you a fairly decent risk to reward ratio, because share prices could start to move higher and then retest those prior highs. So overall, this is a name that I will be paying a little bit more attention to, and we might do another update on this one in the future. So here's the current market update for LIGHTBRIDGE Corporation, stock ticker LTBR. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.